Unlock a world of digital entertainment on Google Play using the secure and convenient payment method of Paysafecard. Before we dive into Google Play, first, locate the 16-digit PIN on your physical Paysafecard or digital voucher. This is your key to making purchases. Next, open the Google Play Store app on your device and tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the menu, select the option that says Payments and Subscriptions. On the Payments and Subscriptions page, look for and tap on Redeem Promo Code. Now, carefully enter the 16-digit Paysafecard PIN into the provided field. Once entered, tap Redeem. Your Paysafecard balance will now be added to your Google Play account, ready to use. To make a purchase, simply find the app, game, or subscription you want, proceed to checkout, and select your Google Play balance as the payment method. And there you have it. You've successfully linked your Paysafecard to Google Play, granting you instant access to a vast library of digital content.